Dear students, now I am discussed about electric field due to dipole in an axial line or axis of the dipole. What is the axis of the dipole means? On its axis. And what is dipole? Dipole is the two equal and opposite charges are separated by a very small distance like this. This is the dipole. For example, dipole minus q and plus q are separated by a small distance 2a. 2a be the small distance. And what is the direction of this dipole moment? Is always from negative to positive charge directions. Where O be the center of the dipole. First, you can calculate electric field due to positive charge. Andre ಯಾವ direction ಬರುತ್ತೆ? It is radially away from the charge. Electric field due to positive charge is radially outward or away from the charge is E1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ. Electric field due to negative charge is radially inward or towards the charge. It is E2 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ. Electric field due to negative charge is radially towards the charge. Electric field due to positive charge is radially outward or away from the charge. ಅಂದ್ರೆ electric field lines ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? Isolated charge. Electric field lines due to isolated positive charge start from charge and end at the infinite distance. Electric field lines due to isolated negative charges, the field lines are start from the charge. Field lines are start from the infinity and at the end towards the charges. And towards the charges. Here, resultant electric field at point P can be calculated. The distance between the O to P is distance between O to P is R. Distance between the center of the dipole to the resultant field at point P is R. Resultant field combined field produced due to sum of the electric field due to positive charge and electric field due to negative charges. How to identify the electric field due to positive charge? The field lines are radially outward. The field lines or field is start from the charge and at the infinite distance. Away irutte. ಈ arrow mark towards the charge ಇದೆ. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಂದ ಬರೋ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಆ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. arrow mark. E2 be the electric field due to negative charge. E1 be the electric field due to positive charge. The resultant field at point B can be calculated by using formula. ಯಾವ ತರ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? R be the distance between the center of the dipole to point P. R ಅನ್ನೋದೇನು? R be the distance between center of dipole to P. Or be the distance between the center of the dipole to point P. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಏನೇ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಕಂದ್ರೂ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಇಂದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನೇ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಕಂದ್ರೂ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಮೆಜರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೈಪೋಲ್. Field or potential, anything is can be measured from the dipole must be taken center of the dipole is the reference point. Andre center of the dipole to point P is the total distance. Where P annadenu? P be the dipole moment. P be the dipole moment of a dipole. Dipole moment of dipole is given by P is equal to Q into 2a. The direction of this dipole moment is always from negative to positive charge directions. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಂಟು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಲೈನ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಟು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಂದ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ I can calculate electric field due to positive charge. Electric field due to positive charge. How to return? Electric field due to plus Q at P. And electric field due to positive charge at P is given by E1 andre 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This is the field formula, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, where plus Q by what is the distance of the positive charge from the point P? It is A plus A is the total distance. The total distance nalli A minus ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ positive charge ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Total distance or minus A gives positive charge. The positive charge distance from point P is or minus A. Or nalli A minus ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ plus charge. Or nalli A add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus charge. ಅಂದ್ರೆ total distance or minus A whole square. Or minus A whole square. ಈಗ electric field due to minus Q. Electric field due to negative charge ಅಂದ್ರೆ total distance or ನಲ್ಲಿ A add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus charge ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ total distance or plus A is negative charge. Total distance or minus A is positive charge. ಅಂದ್ರೆ electric field due to negative charge is E2 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q by or plus A whole square or plus A whole square. ಈಗ E1 ಅಂದ್ರೇನು electric field due to positive charge, E2 be the electric field due to negative charge. The resultant field at point P is given by ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು resultant field at point P. Resultant field at P ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ sum of the total field is equal to sum of the E1 field plus E2 field. What is E1 E2 value? Substitute the equation 1 ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ E1 and E2 value in 1 ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ E1 E2 value 1 ಎಂದು ಕರೆದ್ರೆ is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught plus Q by or minus A whole square plus of minus of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q to the minus number or plus A whole square or plus A whole square or plus A whole square. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus into plus minus ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ where the resultant electric field at point P can be calculated by E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by or minus A whole square plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by or plus A whole square or plus A whole square minus ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ or plus A whole square. Plus into minus between the bracket becoming minus. The common term in this equation Q by 4 pi epsilon naught is the common. Within the bracket or minus A whole square minus of 1 by or plus A whole square. In this is the equals to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by or minus A whole square minus of 1 by or plus A whole square. In this bracket term, in bracket term is simplified. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ E equals to by LCM method solve this bracket term. Final answer is 2 by 4 pi epsilon naught. LCM method use ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ Q by 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to 4A r divided by r square minus A square whole square. r square minus A square whole square ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ E equals to ನಾನು ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 4AR ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ನಾನು 2A ಇಂಟು 2r ಅಂತ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ. 2ar into 2ar r square minus a square whole square ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ q into 2a ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬಿ. e is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q into 2a into 2r divided by r square minus a square whole to the power of whole square. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ the product of each charge into total distance. Product of each charge into total distance is dipole moment, where E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P into 2 r divided by r square minus a square whole to the power of whole square ಆಗಿದೆ. This is equation 2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಿ. In equation 2, compared to the dipole distance, r square is very greater than a square. And compared to the dipole distance, compared to the total distance of the center of the dipole to point P, a is very small and negligible. A square can be neglected. ಅಂದ್ರೆ dipole distance ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ a ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ very small term ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. It can be neglected. ಅಂದ್ರೆ E equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p r divided by a square neglected. A square can be neglected. R square is very greater than a square. A square can be neglected. Where r to the power of 4. This r one r get cancelled. Remaining where E equals to ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು E equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p by r cube. This is the expression for electric field due to dipole along its axis or axis of the dipole. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. First derivations. Next ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ electric field due to dipole in an equatorial line. Equatorial line ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Line at which perpendicular to the dipole axis. Line at which perpendicular to the dipole axis is called as equatorial line ಅಂತ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಲೈನು dipole axis ಗೆ perpendicular ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, that axis is called equatorial line. That line is called equatorial line. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೇನು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ I want to derive electric field due to dipole in an equatorial line. Derive the expression for electric field due to dipole in an equatorial line or equatorial plane. Equatorial line ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಇದು ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಎತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. This is the dipole axis. This is negative charge. This is positive charge. This is the center of the dipole. Where this is called equatorial line. Where point O to P distance is R anta ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. O to P is R. This is the perpendicular line at which perpendicular to the dipole axis. It is called equatorial line. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗಿದೆ dipole axis ಗೆ. Direction of dipole moment is always from negative to positive charge directions. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, the electric field due to negative charge ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ electric field due to negative charge at point P is radially inward ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is the field E1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ನಾವು electric field due to positive charge ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ it is radially outward. This is E2, E1 and E2. The resultant field is taken along the 2 point of intersection. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಲೈನ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ this is the resultant field making angle theta. This is also some of the angle theta where it become a parallelogram ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. You can draw parallelogram at this point. ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is the diagonal side of the parallelogram E. ಅಂದ್ರೆ resultant field is always opposite to the direction of dipole moment. ಇದನ್ನ A ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದನ್ನ B ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇರೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎ, ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಇಂದ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇರೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂತು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಈಚ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವಿಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಓ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 1/2 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಂಗೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಹೈಪೋಟೆನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅದರ್ ಟು ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಬೈ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಹೈಪೋಟೆನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಪಿ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ವೇರ್ ಪಿ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಓ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 1/2. ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಈಚ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೈಪೋಲ್. ಇನ್ ಅನ್ ಇಕ್ವಿಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ಲೈನ್ PB must be equals to PA is equal to R square plus A square O to the power of 1/2 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಕ್ವಿಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ both charges are equal distance from point P ಇದಾವೆ. Negative charge from A to P is also R square plus A square O to the power of 1/2. Positive charge from B to P is also R square plus A square O to the power of 1/2. According to Pythagoras theorem apply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ this distance become equals to this distance. ಅಂದ್ರೆ in an equatorial line PA is equal to PB is equal to R square plus A square O to the power of 1/2 ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಇಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು in an the electric field due to positive charge electric field due to plus charge at P is E2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು. E2 is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square plus A square O to the power of 1/2 into whole square. This 2 get cancelled. Where E2 is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught 2 by R square plus A square. Similarly, magnitude ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. Magnitude of electric field. Magnitude of electric field due to negative charge is E1 is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught 2 by R square plus A square. In an equatorial line, E1 must be equals to E2. Electric field due to negative magnitude of electric field due to positive charge must be equals to magnitude of electric field due to negative charge. But in an equatorial line, electric field is not zero, but potential due to two charges at point P is zero. Equatorial line. What are the conditions for electric field is not zero but potential is zero. ಎಲ್ಲಿ potential zero ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? In an equatorial line, electric potential is zero but electric field is not zero in an equatorial line. What is the condition for electric field is zero, electric potential is zero, electric field is not zero ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ electric potential is zero at the point P in an equatorial line but electric field is not zero. But in an equatorial line, magnitude of electric field due to negative charge must be equal to magnitude of electric field due to positive charge. Andre E1 must be equal to E2. E1 and E2 are equal in an equatorial line. E1 is equal to E2 in an equatorial line. ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ E1 must be equal to E2 in an equatorial line. Next, the total electric field at point P ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? Total electric field at P is resolved into two components. Total electric field at P is resolved into two components. And along the equatorial line, perpendicular component E1 sin theta, E2 sin theta ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ E2 cos theta, E1 cos theta ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ perpendicular components are cancel at the equatorial line because of equal magnitude opposite directions. E1 sin theta, E2 sin theta are cancelled in the equatorial line. Net E1 sin theta and E2 sin theta are cancelled in an equatorial line. Andre electric field P is resolved into two components. ಯಾವು? E1 sin theta, E2 sin theta are cancelled in an equatorial line. Net electric field along the parallel components. Net electric field along parallel component is E is equal to E1 cos theta plus E2 cos theta into minus P. Negative sign indicates the resultant field is always opposite to the dipole moment. Equatorial line ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ? Resultant field ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ dipole moment ಗೆ opposite ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ dipole moment negative to positive charge ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ resultant field is always opposite to the dipole moment. Suppose ನಾವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. But resultant field is always opposite to the dipole moment. That's why we take negative unit vector. Take negative unit vectors. Here, ಏನಾಯ್ತು? E1 is equal to E2 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ E1 equals to E2 in an equatorial line 2 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square plus A square into cos theta into minus P. E1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square plus A square. Magnitude of electric field due to positive charge and negative charge is same. E1 is equal to E2. ಅಂದ್ರೆ E1 equals to E2 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square plus A square ಬಂದಿದೆ. Into cos theta into unit vector of minus P. This minus is multiplied to this. To minus 2 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square plus A square into cos theta into unit vector P ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Next step ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? To find the cos value using any one of the right angle triangles. How to find this cos value using this right angle triangle? Line attendant. Here, suppose POB is 90 degree. What is the cos theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is A in this right angle triangle. Hypotenuse is PB. ಅಂದ್ರೆ OB by PB is equal to R square plus A square O to the power of 1 by 2. This is the cos theta value. Put this cos theta value in equation 1 ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಿದ್ರು. Put this cos theta value in equation 1. ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ cos theta value ಕೊಟ್ರೆ where E equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by r square plus 2 by r square plus a square into cos theta is equal to a by r square plus a square o to the power of 1 by 2 ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪವರ್ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬೇಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್, ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಡೆಡ್. E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ p ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು q into 2a ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು q into 2a into p divided by r square plus a square. Bases are same, powers are added. It become equals to 3 by 2 with the negative sign. Don't forget that negative sign. Next ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ where p ಅಂದ್ರೆ q into 2a into ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ E equals to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q into 2a into p ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ p dipole moment by r square plus a square o to the power of 3 by 2. Where in this equation 2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ in 2 ಏನಾಗಿದೆ r square is very greater than a square. Compared to this distance is negligible. Dipole distance is negligible compared to the total O to P. Compare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ O to A is negligible and this square A square can be neglected. A square can be neglected in 2. A square can be neglected in equation 2. ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ it become equals to E equals to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught vector P by RQ. This is the expression for electric field due to dipole in an equatorial line. Electric field due to dipole in an equatorial line is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by RQ. Negative sign indicates the resultant field is always opposite to the dipole moment. Resultant field ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, it's always opposite to the direction of a dipole moment. Next concept, physical significance of a dipole. What is the physical significance of dipole ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Physical significance of dipole. Physical significance of dipole ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ explain the polar and non-polar molecules or explained about polar and non-polar dielectrics is the physical significance. Physical significance ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, explanation about polar and non-polar molecules of the dipoles. Explain about polar or and non-polar molecules. ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ polar and non-polar molecules. What are polar molecules and non-polar molecules ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ polar molecules ಅಂದ್ರೆ center of gravity or center of mass of positive and negative charges are not coincides. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ coincide ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Center of mass of the positive and negative charges are not coincides are called polar molecules ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಈಗ H2O ಇದೆ. H2O ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ O H O ಇದೆ. Center of mass of positive and negative charges are not coincides. What is a polar molecules? Center of mass of the positive and negative charges are not a coincides. ಅವು coincide ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ those are called polar molecules. ಅಂದ್ರೆ HO2 H2O is the polar molecules. ಅದೇ ತರ the polar molecules possess one dipole moment. In the absence of external electric field, illa andrunu polar molecules also possess permanent dipole moment, but net dipole moment of the all molecules become a zero in the absence of external electric field. Next polar molecules andre example for polar molecules HCl, H2O. These are the example for HF, hydrogen fluoride. These are the example for polar molecules. But polar molecules possess own dipole moment or permanent dipole moment. What are the dipole moment of the polar molecules andre? They possess permanent dipole moment. This is the physical significance. Non-polar molecules andre the molecules with center of mass of the positive and negative charges are coincides. Center of mass of the positive and negative charges. ಈಗ S2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, coincide ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. Center of mass of the positive and negative charges are coincides. These are S2, N2, O2. These are the example for non-polar molecules. ಅಂದ್ರೆ they do not possess own dipole moment in the absence of external electric field. External electric field ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ non-polar molecules ಗೆ dipole moment ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. In the absence of external electric field, they do not possess permanent dipole moment. They possess induced dipole moment in the presence of external electric field. Example for non-polar molecules S2, N2, O2, CO2 are the example for non-polar molecules. ಅಂದ್ರೆ center of mass of the positive and negative charges are coincides. ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ center of mass of the positive negative charges coincide ಆಗಿರುತ್ತವೋ ಅವು non-polar molecules. They do not possess one dipole moments.